Okay class, so after the case study I have got one more question where the students are facing problem, that is how to compare the ratio, means what is the greatest ratio, what is the smallest ratio when the ratios are given. Okay, so in case of ratios we are totally using the concept of fractions, you all know. So first of all write down 2:3 as 2/3, 5:8 as 5/8, 75:121 as 75/121, and 40:25 as 40/25. And to compare the fractions, first we find the LCM of denominators, that is 3, 8, 121, 25. 3, 8, 121 and 25. How? So just let me tell you, 3, 8, 121 and 25's LCM by linear method. This is divide the number which is divisible by 2, divide that number only, and remaining number as it is. Again, no, 3 is not divisible by 2, no, it will come 3 class. So this is 3, 2, 121 and 25. Again 2, 1, 121 and 25. Now take 3, 1s are 1, 121, 25. Work upon it class, how it is going on. 5, 1, 1, 121, 5. 1, 1, 121, 5. 11. 1, 1, 11. Now stop. So the LCM of this number is 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 11 and 11. So this is 8, 3s are 24, 24. Class, just multiplying all these numbers, what you will get. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 43s are 120, 125s are 600. 600 multiplied by 11 11s are 121. So what will come? 72600 is the LCM. What is the LCM class? 72600 means 72,600. Now come here. Up we will convert all the fractions as denominator will be what? This 72,600. Here also denominator will be 72,600. Here again 72,600, and here also denominator will be 72,600. So let me erase this. 72,600. So equivalent, and all these are like fractions. See, so just 3 multiplied by what will come this number. So just 2s are 6, 4s are 2s are 10. So numerator is also multiplied by this number. This number is getting from 3 multiplied by what will come this number. Okay, so 24200, and it will come 4840. Now 8 multiplied by what will come this number. So for this 8 9s are 72, just 8 7s are 56, and 8 5 the 40 class. Same. So numerator is also multiplied by 9075. Okay, so this will come come 121 tables में how many times this number will come? So I think 6 times. Yeah, 600 times. 121 multiplied by 600. Yes, will come this number. So 75 is also multiplied by 600. And what will come? 0 0. Check the calculation. Calculate yourself everything. This is totally based on calculation. So come here. Up now 25 multiplied by what will come this number? So just from here 25 multiplied by what na? So 25 2s are 50. Just take it like this. There is no chance of mistake. Divide by 25. 2s are 50. It will come 22. Now 9s are, it will come 1, then 100, 0 4s. Okay, 2904. So here 2904 and numerator is also multiplied by 2904. Check 0. These numbers are coming class. Just wait. Okay, so what we have done here class, first convert all the fraction in terms of equivalent fraction, and all these must be the like fractions because all the denominators are equal. Now just let me erase this part. You know one rule, if the fractions are like fractions, so whose denominator is biggest, that fraction is whose numerator is biggest, that fraction is biggest, and whose numerator is smallest, that fraction is smallest. So check whose numerator is greatest class, because question is asking about greatest. So this is 5-digit number, 5-digit number, 5-digit number, but this is the 6-digit number. So obviously this fraction is biggest because this numerator is biggest, so this fraction is biggest. So which ratio is biggest class? Yes, 40 upon 25. And if you want to write the fraction in ascending or descending order, so just I am going to write in ascending order. In ascending order, which numerator is smallest? This one. This is the smallest numerator, means 45,000 upon 72,600. After that, this one is the smallest, 45,375 upon denominator are same. After that, this one, and after that last. So this is the ascending order from smallest to biggest. If you want to write in descending order, so just from biggest to smallest, and from this we can say that this is the smallest fraction and this is the greatest fraction. Now write the original value of these fractions. So 45,000 upon this means 75 upon 125. Yes, 45,375 means 5:8. See, this means 2:3, and last one is 40:25. So just see, this is the biggest ratio, greatest. Class, there is one shortcut method also to compare this ratio, which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest. So shortcut method is that, check, this is a proper fraction, and proper fraction is always less than 1. Okay, this is also a proper fraction. This is also less than 1. Yeah, this is also a proper fraction, which is always less than 1. But you know class, this is an improper fraction. Improper fraction, and the value of this fraction is greater than 1. So all these fractions are less than 1, but this fraction is greater than 1. So 100% this fraction is biggest in all. If this fraction is biggest in all, so this ratio is also biggest in all. Okay, so 40:25 is the biggest ratio. Okay, thank you.